Fighting for his job, Judge Wade McCree is taking the stand to make his case, and we have new information on a medical condition that he hopes will save him. 7 Action News investigator Scott Lewis is live in Ann Arbor tonight. Scott, we know the judge was involved in a sexual relationship with a woman who had a case in his court. But this is the first time we're hearing of mental issues in this case.
It is, Dave, and while these mental issues may not be enough to get Judge McCree off the hook, it could be mitigating factors and maybe lighten his punishment. This testimony today came from Dr. David Jacoby, Judge McCree's longtime physician. He testified that he long wondered whether McCree had a mental condition called hypomania because of his outgoing, fast-talking personality. But he said McCree never showed any other signs of this mental condition. He said that all changed when he heard McCree's public response in the media to this shirtless picture that he texted to his mistress. That response was, "No shame in my game," and it led Jacoby to conclude that McCree had a loss of control symptomatic of hypomania.
They know the difference between right and wrong. The problem is they're impulsive. They don't have that internal sensor isn't working. Okay. And so they often cross that line.
Dr. Jacoby described that condition as the opposite of depression, and he said he described McCree a mood-leveling judge and a mood-leveling drug, I should say, and then referred him to a psychiatrist who McCree later saw. Another doctor took the stand today, and some of his testimony was, well, a little bit salacious. Coming up at 6, why that doctor, who was also a friend and former roommate of the judge's, urged him to get away from that woman he was having an affair with. Reporting live from Ann Arbor, I'm Scott Lewis, 7 Action News. Dave, back to you.
All right, Scott, thank you for the live report. We'll look forward to your report at 6 as well. Hypomania, meantime, is also considered one symptom of bipolar disorder. WebMD describes it as a mood people don't typically perceive as a problem. It may actually feel pretty good. You have a greater sense of well-being and productivity. But if the person actually has bipolar disorder, hypomania can lead to a serious depression.